So here we have the small journal that was the mini challenge in the January Junk Journal Challenge from Just Julie. And again, it's just tied together with a bow. I put these pictures of starfish on the front because it's also ocean themed. And on the back there's a jellyfish. We do have big jellyfish here as well, here on Vancouver Island. And this challenge was to only use envelopes. So these are all envelopes here. And I put a few pictures on that I had. And I think it'll be fun getting this one completed as well. And I tried to cover up all of the addresses and stuff that was originally on the envelopes. This is from the Canoe Brew Pub downtown by the harbor. And a lot of these business envelopes have the windows. So here I put a breaching humpback whale. And we have orcas here. And here I did the same as in my bigger book. Here we have a little tiny notebook. The Marine Ecology Center is where my daughter did her summer camp years ago. It's up the peninsula, and so I put a little tiny book for making notes here. So that just tucks into this little envelope here, which I guess I could just put in so that it shows in the window, but it's not being good. And the dog is having a fit. So more orcas. That's a gray whale. And ferries. That's how you get to and from the island. And I think that I like oceans because I've been doing this ocean themed things. A little tuck area here. And it's a big part of life here. I spend a lot of time at the beach, and I do have a vlog series about being at Willows Beach. I like this little guy. He's not really ocean stuff, but I think he's cute. And here I put in this little plastic thing that I think is off of a soap bottle. Anyway, it fits in the little window. And my son suggested having some sea creatures popping out of little hidey holes the way they actually do in nature. And there's all sorts of things that come up from the floor or out of the rock walls. So I'm going to try that, and I think that should be pretty nice. And anyway, that's it for our the second book. And so there's those two books there. So anyway, thanks for watching.